Gusto mo ng mas maluwag na bahay sa Cavite? 3 bedrooms na may carport pa? Check this out. Located sa First Park Homes, Barangay Tanawan, Tanza, Cavite. Bank for close, single attached, inner lot. Lot area 88 square meter, floor area 54 square meter. 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 1 carport. Perfect for growing family na gusto ng mas spacious na bahay. No bidding basta walang kasabay. As is where is. Computation, selling price 2,267,000. 20% down payment 453,400. Loanable amount 1,813,600. Estimated monthly amortization 20 years around 13,000 to 15,000 per month. Suggested required income 40,000 to 50,000 monthly. 5,000 earnest money lang to reserve. For close unit to kaya limited lang at mabilis maubos. Free house tour assistance available. Message ka na ngayon para masecure mo bago ka maunahan. This is Jean Puig. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye!